Hi guys, welcome on my YouTube channel CrochetPinkPumpkin. Today I show you how to make these cute little hearts. It's right on time for Valentine's Day. You can tell they come in different sizes and colors, so all the yarns that I used and the hook are in the description, so you can find every details. And for the tutorial you will need to know how to make the half double crochet stitch, so I will show you right here how to do. So you start with one yarn over, you pass it through the ring, and you make a second yarn over, pass it through the ring as well. Third yarn over, you pass it through 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. And you will also need to do the double crochet stitch, so let me show you right here how to do so. You start with one yarn over, you pass it through the ring, second yarn over, pass it through the ring again, third yarn over, pass it through 2 loops, and fourth yarn over, you pass it through the 2 last loops right here, so you have your double crochet. So now we can start making our little hearts. You start with a magic ring. I put the video in a slow motion like that you have time to watch. You can increase the speed of the video in your reader, YouTube reader. So once you're done with the magic ring, you make 1 chain stitch right here, and you will start by making 3 half double crochet. This will be the first half of the heart, so it's made of 3 half double crochet. This is the first one, second one, and third one. Then after that, you can start closing a little bit your ring, but not too much. Then you can make, you have to make 1 chain stitch right here and 1 double crochet. So because you only made half double crochet, the double crochet will look higher. That's the end of the heart, you know, like the little bottom part. Then once you are done with the double crochet, we start the other second half of the heart, and you make 3 half double crochet. Oops. There you go. So this is your first half double crochet, the second one, and the third one. So here we are done with the structure of the heart. You can close a little bit the ring, then you will make 1 chain stitch like that, and 1 slip stitch in the magic ring. There you go. Now you can cut the thread. So you cut the thread and you make a knot just to make sure it stays in place. So this is your knot right here. So you should have something that looks like a round. It's normal. You close the ring by pulling very hard on the thread. I pull very hard because the yarn is very thick. But if you use like thin acrylic, don't pull that hard. It may break the thread. And then I use a darning needle. This video is very much in slow motion. Everything is so slow. But I had a lot of people telling me some of my videos are too fast. So, and you insert the thread that you cut previously into the heart in like the center of it, like that. Up, and you will see it will create the shape of the heart. Make sure to tie a knot with the 2 thread, and I made sure also to pull on it, you know, to make sure everything was was tight. There you go. So you have your little heart. I will show you right after. Up. I always like double knot or double tie. I don't know how we say. I make a double knot, then I cut, voila, and this is your heart. Voila, we are ready for Valentine's Day. Ooh, perfect. So you can find all my patterns on my website crochetpinkpumpkin.com, and I see you very, very soon.